Hi everyone. As part of the Design Senior project, our team was in charge of enhancing the Nextcloud Android app by tailoring it to meet the unique needs of FIU users. And now I'll be demoing our product so far. Let's start with the login page. This is the original login page for the Nextcloud Android app. And this is the login page we designed for FIU students. And so first, let's show you we created this FIU palette that is based on FIU logo colors. And with that palette, we created two different themes, FIU dark and FIU light, and they change depending on the mode you choose for your application. So let's come back to this one. We have this theme button. When you click it, it takes the user to this page, and the user is able to upload any picture that they want as their logo. This is the default that we have is FIU picture, but let's try this functionality. We click on upload. I'm sorry, it's an emulator, so I only have this picture, but let's click on it and added it. So now we have this picture, and it not only changes here, it also changes here. So let's see that you want to go back to the original logo that we selected. You just click here, reset logo, and you have the FIU. Also, the user can pick from here if they want light mode or dark mode. You can click dark. And as you see, it's not only reflected here, it's reflected in all the app. So same when you click light, that was the one we had before. It's reflected everywhere. So that's the login page we designed. We also added another functionality to the app. It's a calendar functionality. Let's take a look at it. The original Nextcloud app doesn't have a built-in calendar functionality. You are redirected to a different app. It's not a free app, so we decided that it was a good idea to include it here in the main app. So we created this calendar. For that calendar, besides the user interface, we use SQLite to save the event. And let's see that we come here, click here. Let's add an event. Let's say that the event is the showcase and the date is December 1st. You can see we have checkers for the format to make sure that the user enter a valid date. We select the time. Let's say that is at 1 p.m. And the location is FIU. So we add that event. We come here. We can see the event. Now let's say that we need to do some modifications to the event. So the user can click here, and instead of 1 p.m., it's gonna be at 1:30 p.m. Here, and let's say that we want to do some modification on the description. So we say senior project showcase. We click on save changes. We come here. We have the new event with the changes that we just saved. And now let's say that the event is canceled for some reason. So the user is able to come here and just delete the event. You delete the event. If you go, it's not there anymore. So this is the calendar functionality. The user is able to add, modify, and delete events. And we think that this is a very good addition for a file sharing app like Nextcloud. Thank you for coming to our demo.